Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you new trick related to the material. So why to waste unnecessary time in the applying material or by downloading the 3D warehouse railing or any glass material, so that without using that method I'm going to explain you by using only material how to create a railing and compound in the SketchUp. So let's start. So here in landscape fencing and vegetation, in that you will get the material which I'm going to explain you now. So here you will get the option for the fencing wire, and here again fencing metal straight. Here again you will get the option for the another fencing one. Again here fencing lattice natural by using the wooden. Again here you will get the option. So one by one I'll show you. You will get the idea. So let's do that. So here first of all I'll apply this wire one. So once if you will apply, as you can see, it is fully transparent. No need to apply for the both side. So why to waste time in that? If you have any elevation or full building, and if you want to render that one, and our main motto, our main focus is on only for the building, not on the compound or railing or any grill or surrounding whatever models we are having to that building. So to save our time, this is a very beneficial and useful method for us, which is only by using the material. So here I have applied wire. So easily we can see whatever building inside the compound or inside the wall. So this is a one method. You can adjust the whatever scaling by using here in editing likewise. So next to that again you can adjust the material color, anything you can as usual we do in the SketchUp. Next to that, we are having the fencing of metal on concave. Likewise, design we are having. We can adjust again scale from here. Likewise, so how much you want accordingly, you can adjust the scale. Again, we are having next material that is new fencing. Likewise, means we are having different design, different pattern. You can use whichever will suit for your model accordingly. You can choose. Next to that, here again we are having this. So you can see it is like mesh or net type of structure. That color, anything you can change. Next to that, again here we are having wooden texture for commercial building like a coffee shop, anything, hotel. Likewise, design you can select this type of texture. Next to that, again, we are having this grill type metallic fencing structure, straight, which is straight. So we are having almost 6 to 7 fencing material which we can use, and we can save our time, and it is by look also it is very much amazing, as you can see. I hope you have understand this concept. If you like, please share to your friends. If you are new, please go back and check my previous video and keep watching my videos. Thanks for the watching.